Fascia is a trendy term these days, and what I'll do in this course is break down in a simple way what it is, what it isn't, and why it's important to understand. I'm Dr. Ariele Foster, and this is Fascia Release for yoga. Foam rolling and self-myofascial release tools have become so much more common, so much more popular, and that's a wonderful thing. But there's a couple of things that I think are not widely known. This is a little harsh on the body. Many people are going in with a mindset of no pain, no gain, and that is truly the opposite of what we need to do to make meaningful change in our bodies, in our minds, in our spirits, and that's what I aim to teach in this course.
So just moving along the back side of the IT band is a much better situation.
In this course, we're pairing specific sets of self-myofascial release for different regions of the body.
Oh my gosh, this is a good one.
With asana that will complement that self-myofascial release. Build it into your daily routine or build it into your asana practice and come back again and again to refine your self-healing techniques. So join me in Fascia Release for Yoga and start your self-healing today.